Hey guys, Patrick here. Welcome back to another lesson where we'll learn Chinese through news headlines. Today's headline is a really funny one, and I can't wait to share it with you. Let's take a look. Here it is. 印度女网红用面包做连衣裙. Let's break this down step by step. So the first word, 印度, it's India. So 印度人, that's Indian people. Another word, 女网红, female influencer. And next word, 用, using, 用面包 using bread, 用面包 using bread, 做连衣裙, 做连衣裙, 做 to make, you see, to do, to make, to cook, it's the same 做, yeah. 做连衣裙, so put them all together. So the headline means 印度女网红用面包做连衣裙. So an Indian female influencer made a dress out of bread. Honestly, this is pretty funny, but let's be real here. I can't imagine wearing a dress made of bread. I'm a man. I don't wear a dress, but I don't think I will wear a t-shirt or a jacket made of bread. I mean, it's bread. It's meant to be eaten, not worn. Also, I really hope she ate all the bread after making her video. Otherwise, it's just a huge waste of food. I believe there are still people starving in India. So, these days people will do just about anything for views and attention. Sometimes it feels kind of toxic, don't you think? Yeah, and here's another language point. It's 用作 structure. 用, you see? 用面包做连衣裙. This structure is really useful for you to learn from this headline. The structure 用 plus something plus 做 plus something means to make something with something. Here are a few examples. Let's say 用纸做飞机, to make a plane with paper. Another example, 用木头做房子. 用木头做房子. Yeah, to build a house with wood. Yeah. And here's another example. I mean, you can actually replace the verb 做 with other verbs. Let's say to buy things with money. So how do you say that? So 用钱买东西, right? 用钱买东西. Yeah, of course, you buy stuff with money. So 用钱买东西. And here are two more simple questions, simple examples. Let's say 用眼睛看, to see with your eyes. 用脚踢, to kick with your feet. Yeah, so it's very useful. Yeah. All right, let's review today's headline one more time. 印度女网红用面包做连衣裙. 印度女网红用面包做连衣裙. Here's the meaning, and yeah, it's pretty funny, right? And now you've also learned a new sentence structure that you can use in your own Chinese practice. So if you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. So what do you think about this bread dress? Would you wear something like that? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for more fun and easy Chinese lessons. Bye bye.